Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you how to update Windows on your laptop. To do this, simply open the Start menu, then go to Settings, and at the bottom of the settings you'll have the Windows Update option. And right here, as you can see, I got some updates that were failed, so I'll try to retry them. Usually, if there are no updates, you will see this Check for Updates button, and once you check it, you will see all the available updates for your PC. As for now, I have this one, which was just completed. So basically the update was downloaded and installed once I pressed retry. The same happens when you use this Check for Updates button. If you have some updates already downloaded or prepared for you, you can either install them all or download and install them all, or just check each one of them and select this option right here. And sometimes the updates would require your device to restart. In my case there were none, but usually it will tell you on this page if you need to restart your laptop after the update is done. And that's basically how you update Windows on your PC. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.